AP Junior Grade, Speed number 1, Code 9105, May 1991. Get ready, start. I am very happy to be here with you this evening in connection with the annual sports day of your school when your headmaster came to invite me for the function. I was not ready to accept the invitation as I am not an expert in the field. However, I have accepted the request with a view to see the activities organized by the school and spend some time with you after I came here. I feel happy to see you all engaged in different activities. Games and sports are very important activities in the school curriculum. These activities help developing good health among the children. They are also useful for development of mind and body. The students who take active part in these activities will also be good education. The students might select any one of the activities in which they are interested. To my mind, every student should play at least an hour a day. Maintain good health. The National Policy on Education 1986 has therefore given importance for physical education in the school curriculum. Normally, by a healthy person, we mean a person free from disease or any kind of weakness, but the World Health Organization defines health as a state of physical, mental, and social well being and not merely the absence of disease of weakness. From this viewpoint, if health and physical education focus at enabling the student to attain such a state of health, it becomes education for the total man. These proper syllabus of health and physical education in school must therefore enable the student to know and understand that harmonious development of body and mind is essential for good health. It should help the student to raise his own health system. The syllabus should also be such that it can be organized in normal conditions of our schools and also such that if conducted effectively would enable the student to contribute meaningfully in raising the health system of his family, community, and also of the environment to which he belongs. And more importantly, the student enters adulthood as a healthy boy or girl. In addition to the carefully planned syllabus, there is need for qualified teachers in physical education, playground, and the minimum equipment. Therefore, all the schools should be provided with these minimum facilities. Even if the facilities are not available, the teachers should not keep quiet. Dear Sir, thank you very much for your letter dated 20th April 1990 asking me to settle the bill to be paid to you during my last visit to Delhi. I have met the manager of your office and explained him in detail the circumstances under which I could not make full payment of the bill actually, when ordered for the goods during the month of January, have clearly stated that the full amount of the bill will not be paid if the goods are not received by in good condition. Out of the 2000 boxes you have sent, 40 boxes have been completely damaged and another 20 boxes are partially damaged. I have therefore decided to send all the fully and partially damaged boxes back to you by road. The cost of the transportation charges to be incurred in this connection is to be met by your company. Thanking you, yours faithfully.